Now, here's a delicious and fun way to stay hydrated. Eat your water. Now, fruits have lots of water in them. I prefer reaching for fruits like watermelons and cantaloupe and honeydew. As you can see, we have some round watermelon here because watermelons are actually 90% water. We're gonna do something fun. I have my daughter helping me. Take any cookie cutter you like, and you can grab yours. And we're gonna take that into the center of the watermelon, center it, and then evenly press along the sides of the watermelon. Then we're gonna hold that in place and put our hand in the center. Put your hand in the center, put the weight in the center, and then just take the outside of the watermelon out. You can save this for later, but it's also a cool, fun design. And then what we have is put your thumb in the middle, your finger in the middle, gentle press, just a gentle press. And then we have these fun cutout shapes of a watermelon that your kids can enjoy right away, or you can put them in a freezer bag to freeze them for later for a refreshing treat. But today we're actually gonna make something fun, a cool design. So if you have some fun skewers, I found some ones with some stars laying around the house. We're gonna take these skewers along with some berries, and we're just gonna take the watermelon shape and put our skewer in the center, like that. And then you're gonna grab your blueberries and put around 2 or 3 blueberries on the ends. And what your kids have are a fun, hydrating, and creative treat that they can enjoy all summer long.